Hi, this is Mark from Rublon. I'm going to show you how you can protect Windows logins with seamless Rublon multi-factor authentication using email link. In this authentication method, you receive an email containing a link. Opening the link allows you to approve or deny the login attempt. The email link method doesn't require any additional software or hardware, making it accessible to any user. I log into my Windows account by entering my Windows Hello PIN. Now, Rublon sends me an email with a link. I open the email, tap the link, and approve the login, and I'm logged into Windows. Rublon supports a variety of other authentication methods, including FIDO security keys, SMS link, phone call, mobile push, as well as TOTP passcodes. Enable secure access to networks, servers, endpoints, and applications using modern MFA. Go to Rublon.com and start a free trial of Rublon multi-factor authentication.